Hello and welcome. In this video, I will walk you through how to download, install and get started with LATRAS and Range 1. This is the first video in our tutorial series and more videos will follow, diving deeper into features, functionality and troubleshooting. Please note that internet connection is required for the installation. With that, let's get started. First, let's download LATRAS. To do that, go to helioninteractive.com, navigate to download page and click the download button. Below, you can also find options to download individual components. These are mainly intended for troubleshooting and not recommended for normal installation. Once the download begins, it may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. If the download fails or freezes multiple times, try switching to a different browser. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your downloads folder and extract it. Inside you will find the LATRAS setup file. Double-click it and begin the installation. It's common for Windows to display warning about unknown publisher. You can safely ignore it and proceed. Start by accepting the license agreement, then follow the steps in the installation wizard. You'll be asked to choose an installation path. The default location is in Program Files. It is recommended, but not required. Then start the actual installation and wait for the message saying that installation completed successfully. After that, restart your computer. When you launch LATRAS for the first time, it will initialize and display a message about missing license. Click Close on the notification and click on My Account button. Here you can either log in with an existing Helion account or create a new one. If you're creating an account, simply fill in the required fields and submit the form. You will receive a verification email with a code. Enter the received code. After that, LATRAS will be ready for use. Now, let's download the Range 1 plugin. In the main window, click the plugin button, then choose Install. In the installation window, select Install Module. This will automatically download and install the latest version of Range 1. There's also an option to install module manually, but that's only used for locating an existing installation or for troubleshooting. Once the installation begins, just wait for it to finish. When it's done, Range 1 will be available in demo mode. That's because the license hasn't been activated yet. To activate your Range 1 license, go back to My Account. Select Range 1, enter your license key, and click Verify. Once the key is verified, your license will be activated and Range 1 will switch from demo mode to normal. Finally, restart LATRAS and your installation is complete.